All right, third box for Jeff. Another UD Premier. 07. Good luck, good luck. Come on. Show us an AP. Show us an AP. That'd be nice. Steve McNair to 225. Here's a good hit. Patrick Willis. Rookie signatures. 2 of 99. Jordan Palmer. Oh, look at that. Asking you shall receive. Jordan Palmer, numbered to 99. And rookie quad, 125. 37 of 125. Adrian Peterson. Nice, man. With a Dwayne Bowe quad jersey. Jamal Lewis, Mr. 2,000 yards to 99. And Lorenzo Booker, former Florida State Seminole, to round out box number 3. All right, buddy. Congrats on the AP. I will get it out ASAP.